Hi Lola Carmen! Happy 75th birthday po sa inyo. We wish you a joyful day.
Lalo na po't kasama niyo po yung mahal niyo sa buhay na nagse-celebrate po ngayong birthday ninyo. And
stay healthy and pretty and adventurous, TikTokers, flexible, and
Happy Mother's Day na rin po sa inyo. At sa mama ko, alam kong nandyan ka. Happy Mother's Day sa inyo.
sa inyo, Tita Emma. And sa iyo na rin po, Ate Marian
and Ate Lors. Happy
and
Mother's Day na rin po. And
ikain nyo na lang po kami ng lechon baboy. Enjoy po kayo dyan. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Tita Carmen. Wish ko sa'yo, lagi kang healthy at lagi kang mag-ingat. Yan, sana magkita tayo next year. Happy birthday, Ellen.
Happy birthday, Sanse. May God bless you always. Enjoy your birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Carmen, from the Laumitzis family. And
Happy birthday, Tita Men. We wish you a good health and may God always bless you and see you next year. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Tita Carmen. Sa napakabait yung tita. On this day, I would like to express my deepest gratitude for the love and hospitality that you extended to me during my internship dyan sa Manila. It was my very first internship. Allowing me to stay in your home was a gift that went beyond convenience. It was a gesture that made me feel supported and cared for during an important stepping stone in my life. And I will always be thankful for that, Tita, and the rest of the family. Your birthday is not just a celebration of the day you were born, but a celebration of wonderful person you are. I hope this occasion brings a reflection of the kindness you've shown, returning to you in abundance. Kaya yung mga dami ng guests natin ngayon, it shows all the love to you, Tita. Happy birthday again, Tita Carmen, and thank you for everything.
Hello, Mrs. Salinas. Hello, Mare. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
happy birthday, all the best.
Bye. Happy birthday, Lola Carmen. We love you and miss you.
Happy birthday! Nakaminig ka na. Happy birthday, Lola! Come on, dali! Happy birthday! Ay, Lola! Ano ba yun? Kat, what is the one that works perfect? Come on. Okay. Say happy birthday, Lola! Say,
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Galing yan na. Happy birthday.